touches of Mickey. Well, today hasn't gone exactly as planned.
No, it hasn't. I mean, we are here at our favorite resort, Yacht Club. Yay! So we're ending our first, our 14-day Disney trip here at Yacht Club. We were not going to get on camera, however. But Erika says we have a little bit of surprises.
At 10:30, our room was already ready. Pretty cool. Well,
That doesn't happen. Does not happen.
Walk into the room, and we got one of the newly refurbished rooms. We weren't gonna film it. We were just gonna enjoy our last few days of our Disney vacation here, but y'all know we had to film it. So I went in, I filmed all of it. It looks amazing.
And I haven't seen it yet, so I'm super excited to see all the different touches they put on it and see what I noticed versus what Erika notices.
Yep, so we're gonna go check out a newly refurbished Yacht Club room. We booked a water view room. We put in our room requests. We've done a full video on room requests for Yacht Club, but we'll share those below. But let's go see what the new water view rooms look like. Close the door behind you here. So first off, Ryan, what's the first thing that you notice is different?
Well, I gotta tell you, it feels a little brighter in here, a little bit brighter. I think here on the beds, new pillows. First thing was the accent pillows, I believe, that I noticed.
This is new.
A little bit of a Mickey there, that touch there, that's super cool. Other scheme's a little bit different.
Yeah, so old Yacht Club, and remind you, we haven't stayed in obviously a new room, and we haven't seen the old footage for a while, so it's been a while since we've been to Yacht Club. So we're kind of going off of our memories here, but
I mean, I'm
pops of red. There pops of red. It used to be navies and golds and kind of browns, but now they've added this pop of red in here. And so I think it definitely gives a more nautical vibe.
I mean, I'm loving it. It was much more subdued, very old world as far as Yacht Club, very traditional.
The second thing I've noticed, and no, I just can't help myself, I have to get closer, but the second thing I've noticed is lots more very subtle touches of Mickey. He's in the pillows, this lamp is new.
Steamboat Willie.
The artwork, we have Donald and Goofy and Queen Minnie over here. This beautiful artwork is brand new. Another piece of artwork here, the Queen Minnie. So just more, and there's Mickey up there. Just more subtle Disney touches, Disney theming, but it's not like over the top. And so I love that they're just giving us just a little taste. And I know I don't want to go into the bathroom just yet, but I think I'm going to, because there's one really, really cool thing in there that I'm just loving. We'll see if Ryan can pick it out.
Well, I gotta tell you, first of all, I love the double vanities. Those have always been there though. Always gotta point that out.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at this wallpaper right now.
Ooh.
And if you look at the rope, so we got ropes and they're knots, and oh, wait a minute, what's this? That's a Mickey. Mickey nautical rope theme. It's fantastic. The knots there, that's a beautiful touch.
I feel like we need this wallpaper in our house. I don't know where we'd put it. I can figure it out. I'm sure I can. But let me know. Should I put this wallpaper in my house? So any modern minimalist home fans out there, let me know. Let me know if you think that I can figure out how to put this in our house. I love it.
Oh, now in the bathroom, I know we don't typically go in the bathroom, but like the fresh coat of paint here with the blues, like that's again a touch that, we have not seen that. That's a different color palette.
Anything else you noticed that is different?
I feel like this rug is different.
The rug is different.
The rug is different. Yeah. So let's get down here. Obviously the platform beds with the space underneath it, but look at this rug. Again, totally different. Golds, reds, blues, keeping with the nautical theming here.
You also see some hidden Mickeys in there.
Oh, hang on. Was that the ship wheel?
Yep.
Right there.
Things that I've noticed.
Well, now that I'm looking back towards where the balcony is, I definitely see change curtains. Like, used to be Constellation, right?
They
did. Now we have what looks like, very cool. The old school kind of design ships. Look at that. Oh, the Miss Daisy side view. It's like the designs of the ship.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And again, it's very Steamboat Willie theming.
Yeah.
Which is like old school Mickey.
Yeah, I love that. Again, kind of coming back to the edges are that adding in that pop of red. New curtains, and then the last thing are these lights. So
overhead lights,
the overhead lights are new. As you can tell, they have the little detailing of red on them. These are the things, these are the initial as we're on the whim kind of going through and picking up, also the desk chair is new. I can tell that over there. Love that little desk nook. Let's go see what differences the kids can find and maybe how many hidden Mickeys they can find, because Easton is like a hidden Mickey genius, so.
That he is.
Wait, do you want to come see the new Yacht Club room? Yeah. How many hidden Mickeys do you think you can find?
Come on in, let's count them. Let's see how many you can find.
Oh!
What'd you find?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yes, there's one.
Oh, good job, Easton. Let's see where else we can find them.
Did Gavin find any hidden Mickeys? It may just be a regular Mickey too. Yep, there you go. Gavin, maybe you can look on the floor maybe. Is there anything?
Oh.
Where did you, let's see. What? On the corner? There he is in the ship wheel. Good job, bud.
Yeah. Do you notice anything that's different from the last time we were here? Or the last few times? You're right. The pictures are different. Good job. The curtains. Good job. Yep. The pillow. Good job, boys.
Anybody notice the lamp?
Look at this.
What's on there?
It's making Ryan with the ship.
Steering the ship. That's cool, right?
That's from any kind of movie.
The pool.
Finally open.
So I know with the pool they have put some new lighting in. The original lighting is what I'm told. So some new lighting. They've redid all the concrete work in and around the pools. So all the stone is new. And there's some new things on Hurricane Hannah's. We'll have to go check out that new menu. But super excited. Are you guys excited to go back to Stormalong Bay? We'll be doing a full review and overview of the new Yacht Club rooms, so look for that. But if you can't wait until we get the new one out, go ahead and check out our old one and then see what differences you can spot. But for now, thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.